Here's some more about the Manny Ellis case. Former Pierce County medical examiner testifies in trial of Manny Ellis' death. Check it out.
Washington state troopers are investigating a stalking incident involving Manny Ellis' mother.
Earlier in October, the Ellis family attorney confirmed that Ellis' mom found a tracking device in her car. She also reported that somebody slashed her tires. Ellis' mom testified in the first days of the trial that she believed people were following her. Today's court action centered on another key voice in the case. Fox 13's AJ Janavel breaks down the testimony of the medical expert who determined Manny Ellis' death was no accident.
In 2020, Dr. Thomas Clark was the medical examiner in Pierce County. He explained to the court how he determined Ellis's death in Tacoma police custody was a homicide.
There are three candidates to account for this death. One of them is a drug overdose, one of them is a heart issue, and the other one is asphyxiation.
Clark saying the asphyxiation, or suffocation, is due to the encounter Ellis had with police.
He was
Who cares what you gotta say
restrained
there,
with
pool boy?
handcuffs, put
Go sniff some more
face
fucking
down
pool acid.
on the street, and then he was hobbled, meaning that his ankles were bound to his wrists with a short strap, and a spit hood was put over his head.
The defense focusing specifically on the spit hood. They stated in one of Clark's reports, he listed the hood as possibly the most important factor in the loss of oxygen. The defense stated none of their clients put the spit hood on Ellis.
And that's why I said could be the most important, because it could totally cut off breathing. The other things are not likely to totally cut off breathing, but if I'm put in a position of having to choose which of those various components is the most important in terms of coming to a conclusion about the cause of death, I would have a hard time doing that.
The prosecution has acknowledged that another officer who was not charged in this case is the one who put the spit hood on Ellis. The defense also referenced other in-custody deaths where meth was involved, but Clark ruled them instead as accidental.
That was based on the information that I had at the time. On both of those cases, I'm now wondering if there was something that I didn't have that would have changed that.
Reporting for Fox 13 News, AJ Janavel.